For the fixation of system kits, order the functional uprights. 2 lengths available. For installation with the main bus bar in top, bottom or without. Large devices such as ACB are installed on horizontal system rails alone. Left picture. Other kits are usually installed on vertical uprights. Right picture. Here we show the installation with main bus bar. 20 centimeters are reserved for the main bus bar, so the lower edge of the corner piece should be 20 centimeters. These blocks should point downwards. Now, mount the system rail. Next, be sure to install the front profiles before main bus bar and system kits. Also in the bus bar section, short front profiles are needed. To install the system kits, one more profile is needed, the functional uprights. They are fixed on these corner pieces. Place it facing inside the enclosure, at 200 mm distance from the front. Another method to find the right distance is by counting the square holes in the middle of each group of 3. Each square hole has a distance of 10 centimeters.